Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to break down the ultimate path to starting your IT career in 2023. There are 8 key parts to focus on to lay a really solid foundation. We'll start with part 1, getting your CompTIA A+ certification. The A+ covers all the basic IT skills and concepts you need to know. It's a great way to get familiar with different career paths and will help you land entry-level jobs in help desk support. With the fundamentals under your belt, it's time for part 2. The Security Plus certification. Security knowledge is so important these days, and the Security Plus validates you know the basics. Many jobs actually require you to have it too. In part 3, we level up your networking skills. I can't stress enough how critical networking is, especially if you want to work in cybersecurity down the line. Go for certs like the Network Plus or CCNA. Part 4 is all about Linux. You'll be using Linux systems all over the place in IT roles. Get comfortable with basic Linux commands and environments. Then in part 5 we start learning to code. Pick up a language like Python or Golang. Programming skills apply to every IT job and are important to practice early. For part 6, begin practicing your hacking abilities on sites like TryHackMe. Start developing your security mindset and skills safely. Part 7 has you pursuing entry-level hacking certs like EJPT or Pentest, Plus to validate your abilities and potentially land junior roles. Finally, part 8 is the prestigious OSCP certification. But the video advises focusing on real-world experience over piling on more certs after this point. Throughout, the presenter emphasizes gaining hands-on experience in a help desk job as soon as your studies allow. With dedication to this guidance, you'll be well on your way to an amazing IT career. Let me know if any part of the path needs more explanation.